Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to transfer money from Bank of America to Capital One. Open the website, then log in with your online ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Transfer Zelle. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says to / from other banks. Click on to / from other banks. On this page, enter all the required information. First, select the From and To accounts. After selecting, choose now the delivery speed from the options provided. After that, enter the amount you're going to transfer. Next, select the frequency. Also, you could add a description, but it's just optional. After entering, click on Continue Transfer. That's how you transfer money from Bank of America to Capital One. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.